the story of Dog and Wolf. A very long time ago, Dog and his brother Wolf lived in the forest. One day, Wolf said to Dog, "Large animals always attack us and steal our food. We need to find someone to protect us." Dog agreed. The next day, they went to the cave to ask Mama Bear, "Can you be our protector?" Mama replied, Bear replied, "Yes, but you must listen to me." They both agreed. At night, Dog was barking and Wolf was howling. Mama Bear woke up from her sleep and growled, Stop, Tiger will hear you and he will come for us." The next day, Wolf said to Dog, "If Mama Bear is afraid of Tiger, then we should go ask him to be our protector." Dog agreed. They went up to the mountains and asked Tiger, "Can you be our protector?" Tiger responded, "Yes, but you must do what I say." They both agreed. At night, Dog was barking and Wolf was howling. Tiger woke up from his sleep and roared, Stop, people will hear you and they will come for us." The next morning, Dog said to Wolf, "If Tiger is scared of people, then we should go ask them to be our protector." But Wolf was afraid of people and cried out, "No, I will not go." Dog told Wolf, "I will go and I will come back for you." Wolf said, "Okay." Then Dog went to look for people by himself. Dog met a farmer on his way to his farm. Dog asked the farmer, "Can you be my protector?" The farmer answered, "I don't know. What can you do for me?" Dog barked, "Take me with you and I will show you." The farmer agreed. Then they got to the farm. Dog chased birds, rats, and squirrels from eating the farm crops. The farmer yelled, "Great job, I'll be your protector." The farmer took Dog home. Dog guarded the farmer home by barking at people and animals to keep away. The farmer was so happy to have Dog, so he gave him a collar with bell. "Here, let me put this collar around your neck so people know I am your owner," said the farmer. The Dog was pleased with that he had a protector, so he went back for his brother Wolf in the forest. Dog horn jingled as he ran. Wolf thought people were coming after him, so he kept running away from the sound of the bell. Dog barked, "Brother Wolf, how? Move over here." over here, but then Dog got there. Wolf was nowhere to be found. Dog couldn't find Wolf, so he had to return home feeling sad. The farmer found Dog a wife, and they had many puppies. As for Wolf, he continued to live in the forest with other animals. Every once in a while, Dog barked and Wolf howled to check up on each other. Since then, dogs have become a part of people's lives, and Wolf continued to live in the wild. The end.